In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Google Cloud Platform, commonly referred to as GCP. Whether you're new to cloud computing or looking to harness the power of Google's robust infrastructure for your personal or professional projects, getting your account set up is the first essential step. So, let's dive right in and get you started on this exciting journey. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to cloud.google.com. Once there, look for a button that says Get Started for Free or Try Free. Clicking this will initiate the setup process, leading you into the world of cloud computing with Google. You'll be prompted to sign in using your Google account. This could be a Gmail account or any email that's already registered with Google. If you don't have an account yet, there's an option there to create one. Google makes this part straightforward and hassle-free to ensure you can proceed without any glitches. Once you've signed in, take a moment to review the Google Cloud Platform Terms of Service. It's important to familiarize yourself with these terms to ensure you know the scope and limitations of your new cloud setup. During this process, Google may prompt you to specify your country. Additionally, you'll need to agree to the terms and verify your user status, indicating whether you'll use this account as an individual or for a business. These steps help personalize your experience and ensure you're being directed to the most relevant services and support. The next step involves a financial setup, but don't worry. This part is mostly precautionary. You'll need to input your credit or debit card details. Google uses this information purely for verification and will place a temporary authorization hold on your account, which is a common practice across many services. Rest assured, you won't face any charges unless you exceed the generous limits set for their free trial. And there you have it. Once these steps are complete, your account is ready to go. You'll be awarded an impressive $300 in free credits, which are valid for approximately 90 days. This gives you ample runway to explore the diverse range of services GCP offers, from computing and storage to machine learning and database management. Plus, GCP always has a selection of services that remain free, beyond your trial period. With this setup, you're all set to venture into creating, innovating, and scaling your applications with one of the most powerful cloud platforms available today. Whether you're looking to build a simple website, an enterprise-level application, or dive into data analytics, Google Cloud offers the tools you need. Happy cloud computing and enjoy the journey of turning your ideas into reality.